Hey guys, good morning and welcome to my kitchen. I am making No-Oat-Meal today. It is oatmeal without oats. And why would you do that? Oats are not a bad thing for a lot of people, but for me, they don't agree with me. I am on the autoimmune protocol journey, and while you're doing that, you eliminate certain foods while you figure out what works with your body and what doesn't. Oatmeal is something that you won't have while you're in the elimination phase of the diet. And so a lot of people ask, well, what can you have for breakfast if you can't have grains and you can't eat cereals and you can't make pancakes and you can't scramble eggs? Well, there are a lot of things that you can have for breakfast, but one of my favorite things is oatmeal. So I want to show you how I make oatmeal, and it's gonna gross you out. I promise it's gonna gross you out, but it is so good. So this is what we do real fast. I make it with cauliflower, frozen riced cauliflower. Right here on the package it says that you can have 3/4 of a cup is a serving. It's only 20 calories. It's got 4 grams of carbs. So here we go. I've got 3/4 of a cup of my frozen cauliflower. I've warmed it up already in the oven. I dump that in. I go ahead and use my protein bone broth collagen powder. You can use any brand that you want. I use a full scoop. I add that because I'm gonna add some fruit to this, and I want the protein in there as well because we need protein to keep us full and keep us satisfied, and it also offsets so that we don't get sugar spikes from the fruit. So I've got some frozen cherries here. Just gonna put a handful of cherries in. I also want a little bit of banana because it helps it make it a little bit creamier. I used about a half a serving of cherries. There's about 8 cherries there. And I'm gonna use half a banana. If I didn't have cherries, I would probably use a whole banana, but I'm gonna use half a banana. I have reintroduced nuts and those work for me. So here we go. I'm gonna dump in some nuts. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon. Just a sprinkle of cinnamon. I'm gonna put a little bit of stevia drops. This is stevia, which is a natural sweetener. It's not the powder form, it's a liquid form. This one here is English toffee flavor. I also love coconut. And then last, I'm gonna pour in just a little bit of my So Delicious coconut milk, just to moisten it up a little bit. I stir that up, I heat it up in the microwave. If my cauliflower is already de-thawed, I heat it up for just about 2 minutes. But if I have not de-thawed my riced cauliflower yet, I put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. And then you eat it. It doesn't look good. It sounds horrible, I know, but I dare you to try it. This is what it looks like, and it is the best replacement for oatmeal out there. So I hope that helps for you guys that are on the AIP journey or are considering it. There are lots of options. Stick around and I'll help you out.